Staying with the Times Now campaign to end VVIP racism, this story comes in from Karnataka, where the Upalokayukta of Karnataka, Justice Subhash Adi, has now intervened in two separate incidents of VVIP racism. The incidents involved Congress MLAs Vinay Kulkarni and Vijayananda, both accused of assaulting public officials.
It has been almost 8 months and there is no reply till today. So we found that something is lacking, because within 90 days the charge sheet has to be filed by the police. So since it has taken so much of time, we said why not we go to the Lokayukta, because this is inefficiency of the police in handling the case.
The hard disk that was seized in the place of incident was sent in the month of July to the Central Forensic Science Laboratory for examination and to give a report. We received a reply from the Central Forensic Science Laboratory, Hyderabad, in the month of February, that they are given their capabilities in terms of the software that is available with them. They are not in a position to open the hard disk.
They allege that they went to the concerned police officer, sought for information as to the progress in the investigation. However, they did not get any positive response. Then repeated their attempt to get the information. When they failed, they came here. They said this is a case where police constable is assaulted, and even in such cases the police are not able to investigate, only to protect the politician. And they wanted me to get the report and take action. So in this regard, I have issued a notice to the concerned DCP and also the investigating officer to submit a report as to what action you have taken, how far the investigation has come. The fear of the complainant is, in cases where the politicians are involved, the police will not act.